The intent of this program is built around providing the best experience to our entire ecosystem of partners, all the way from design firms to end users. With this program, we want to do three things. First, expand market coverage. Second, grow into additional segments beyond data centers such as infrastructure, semicon, CIB. And third, allow our partners to differentiate in the market. The program is built around 5 pillars to solidify the partnership and unlock growth with our partners. First is the badge to differentiate. It shows to the ecosystem of partners that the power specialists have advanced capabilities that are recognized by Schneider. Second is trainings and upskilling, which allows the engineering team of our partners to become an extension of Schneider's technical support and sales. Third is expanded offer access that allows the power specialist partners to penetrate additional segments. Fourth is joint growth plan agreement. This is the pillar behind stakeholders involved, organizational structure, sales and marketing plan linked to the portfolio of offers, incentive plan for achieving the ambition, and also includes things like the market development fund for joint advocacy efforts. Lastly, this program is all about collaboration between Schneider and power specialist partners, all the way from pre-sales to after-sales support. If we go into the overall process, it all starts from opportunity registration that feeds into the joint growth plan agreement that ultimately is converted into a win. After that is audit done by the Schneider team to make sure that the installation is up to the mark. And then we go into after-sales support and services. And throughout this journey, Schneider and the partner work hand in hand together to achieve success.
Hey, hello, good morning.
Hi,
good morning, Mr. Lee. Welcome to Guangzhou and welcome to our busway factory. And then before we start, can you introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah, sure. My name is Lee. I'm actually the Executive Director for Abelcon Power System. We've been the medium voltage license partner for 11 kV and 33 kV switchgear and transformer for the past 15 years in Malaysia. So, yes.
So, which city your company is based? Which city in Malaysia?
Well, our office is actually situated in Glen Mary in Shah Alam in Selangor, Darul Ihsan.
Okay. So, you said your company has been established for 15 years?
No, we started to work with Schneider Electric since 2011 until now. Because before that, we actually worked with the company that was actually acquired by Schneider Electric, which is Areva.
Ah, okay. Yes. Okay, good. So during the last 15 years, what do you see as the main challenge for your company?
Well, for the last 15 years, we actually faced numerous challenges. Yeah. So maybe I should start by exploring currently we actually face numerous challenges in data center because we do carry the low voltage busway for Schneider Electric. So at the moment now we face increased rack density and expansion plan for the data center in Malaysia. So therefore we actually need a reliable and scalable busway system solution to support the continuous uptime for the data centers.
So actually I think particular for the data center, it's booming also in Malaysia for the last 2-3 years.
So it's actually mushrooming everywhere, mostly in the southern part of Malaysia.
So the solution you're using now, particular, the busway you're using now at this moment, do you think that is good already enough for you to capture the challenge? Or, what is actually the main, let's say the differentiator compared with the other or, the other solution in the market?
Well, after we implemented the Schneider busway solution, we have seen tremendous improvement in terms of design, selections of the product, and also reduced installation time. So the engineering support team provided by Schneider Electric in Malaysia has made the so-called our whole entire process much easier, smooth, and efficient. So, and then of course what stands out most is actually the technical capability provided by Schneider Electric that gives our customer more confidence Yes.
Okay. So do you have any example or if any of the best practice you can share with us? Because I hear from you that you're saving a lot of the efficiency and then
Yes.
also the time, the lead time. So I guess that would be also a bit like a benefit for your employee as
Oh yeah,
right?
definitely.
Yeah.
So we deploy lesser people
Yeah.
and then we become more efficient. Then with the time that we have, we managed to secure more data center project for Schneider Electric.
Yeah, that's good. That's
Yeah,
a
yeah.
win-win business, right?
Yes, exactly.
Yeah,
That's how
okay.
we help our business because we actually have our own networking.
Yeah.
So how we complement with Schneider Electric because they got the expertise, they got the technology. So that's how we grow as a partner together.
So what is your expectation for 2026? Because we are now at the end of the year. So how do you see for 2026?
2026, we hope to actually double up what we are currently doing. Yeah, because we are also increasing our workforce. So yeah, so to meet the current demand in Malaysia.
Okay. Okay, great. So today you will see a lot of the innovations here, and I think the team will be sharing with you our roadmap innovation for next year, and then hopefully we will having more business together.
Yeah, sure. For
Yeah.
sure. I can't wait to see that
Yeah,
and explore
yeah, exactly.
further
And-
with Schneider Electric.
And then thank you very much for the partnerships because in Schneider, actually partnership sits in everything we do. So this is why we do want to grow together with our partner and with the power specialized, the program here.
Perfect.
Right. Thank you, Mr. Lee.
Thank you
very
thank you.
much.
Thank you for
Thank
your
you.
time.
Bye. 哎，您好，Evan，您好，谢谢您，欢迎您到广州，到我们的母线工厂，那我们今天会有一个小小的那个采访，所以先想请问一下，就是可能可不可以给大家先介绍一下您和您公司？
各位好，我是 Ivan，是台湾过来的Schneider的经销商，我们是第一电气股份有限公司，全名是 For Power Energy，谢谢。
然后您公司的大概的情况和历史，能给我们简单的有介绍一下吗？
我们公司已经代理Schneider的品牌已经超过30年了，这样子。
哦，那么
对，
久
所以是Schneider长期合作的伙伴，经销商这样子。对
所以您公司是现在这个具体在哪个城市在台湾？
我们是在台北，也就是新北市，在五股工业区那边。对。我们是7楼的一个 building， 对，然后包含的1楼办公区、2楼会议室，以及楼上的仓库等等，对。
所以你们主要是做哪一些方案的呢？或者是主要的业务的经营的范围是哪一些呢？
我们经营的业务主要是说，配合设计，从案件开始的设计规划，然后把思维的一些特性分析，然后去做以及配合现场，去做一些路径规划，包含最后我们有分包给施工的厂商去安装busway，所以这个部分我们是一条龙是非常齐全的。
OK， 那你们主要覆盖的行业和应用大概有哪一些呢？
我们覆盖的行业包括有饭店。hotel， 然后shopping mall， 然后还有hospital， 医院，以及data center， 对，数据中心以及semiconductor， 半导体这些等等的行业。当然还有一些比较小的案子，包含学校等的案子。
OK， 那目前来讲，成长最好的是哪一部分的业务呢？
成长最好的部分，相信我们那个TSMC 台积电在台湾盖厂，已经有非常多了，那也是台湾非常大的一个企业，这样子。所以在台积电的这个部分，以及去年的部分，在台湾有盖了相当多的医院，所以这2块我相信是成长最多的部分，这样子。
那这2个业务成长很大，您就是公司有没有会碰到说有比较多的挑战？因为可能电子厂房啊，包括医院啊、医疗，它可能它的需求也会有一些不断的变化。有没有一些您这边会面临的挑战和要解决的一些问题？
我们相信施耐德的母线 busway 的部分，它在导体设计的部分是相当比起同业来说相当大的。conductor size 的部分，但是就是对于同业竞争对手来说，因为包含在台湾、大陆、马来西亚等已经有相当多的busway的 品牌一直不断的尝试去进入这个市场，所以在这个部分我认为说比较大的部分是同业竞争的部分，这样子。对
，OK。那如果说您这边给到施耐德会有什么样的建议呢？
我相信施耐德不管是在回复处理邮件的速度都相当的积极且正面这样子，包含在广州厂的生产的这个部分也是相当迅速的。那只是如果说有一些零组件是从国外进来的话，那个速度可能没有那么的跟速度上可能没有
更快一点会更好，对不对？
对，更快一点会相较来说比较好一些。
OK， 有收到。那如果说，请问一下您，就是您怎么看2026年的业务呢？因为我们现在马上要年底了嘛，那明年的业务您觉得会怎么样？
就是案件设计上来说还是相当多的，因为包含台湾就是台湾目前还是处于一个相当有潜力的市场这样子。那我们在科技厂以及医院，然后还有饭店等等的需求，办公大楼等等的需求会持续的产生这样子。对，
那好，施耐德也是希望继续能够跟您和您公司继续去配合，然后我们能够抓住业务的机会。好，谢谢您，谢谢你，
谢谢。
Hello, Bambang.
Hello.
Thank you for joining us in our busway factory. Can you introduce yourself for us?
Yeah. Thank you for your invitation, and it's our honors to be here and part of the Schneider team. My name is Bambang Basuki. Actually, I'm an ex-Schneider guy. I'm part of Schneider officially for 25 years, and then run as a partner for 15 years. So it means that I've been as another family for 40 years, something like that.
Thank you very much for your trust. So along these 40 years working together and 15 years as one of our trusted partners, can you tell us a bit more on the key challenge that you face in the journey?
Actually, my background is I spent a lot of my time during at Schneider as part of the SGBD team. So we train how to create to make a demand creation, and also to look after the corporate account carefully, and also involved in a solution team. So the way I'm handle the customer right now is still look after about 80% of foreign company, and all the philosophy from SGBD and Schneider, I use it to manage the customer. So customer satisfaction, customer first is important, but also a solution, and then also to provide affordable solution as well in the correct proposition, something like that. So the challenge is how we can work together with Schneider team to win all the competition, especially for the time being is in data center, but previously I managed more in industrial project. But I mean, to avoid a competition among the partner, I mean that probably Schneider could help the way to manage the customer by region or by segment or whatever. So it means that the competition will be against the competitor, not against among us, something like that. So, but also the strong support from Schneider is very important to find a best solution for the customer need, and we have to find a way to differentiate our offer proposal to customer in a good way. So not only talk about the price, but the right solution and right advanced technology for them, because the competition among the data center also is pretty close.
Very good. So you see a lot of opportunity in various segments, including industrial and markets, data center, and your key expectation to Schneider, if I summarize, is that we have a clear partner segmentation, and we support you on the opportunity that you invest in. And as well, you need our technical support to help you differentiate on the market, to find the specific value proposition of the Schneider solution that can help you win, right? Very good. Any other recommendation for us and how we can grow together on the market?
I think we have to define the targeted market. Probably there is a meeting regularly every month or every quarter about the targeted customer or project, and then we check in detail what they need. I mean, especially from the user point of view, because if we only think about the contractor, it's only price for sure. Yeah. So we have to have an event, or I mean, after the meeting, we have need to develop a special event to create intimacy with a user, especially about our solution, and we have to tell about the advantage and so on. That Schneider also can provide as a complete package, not only the busway, but so he can take the advantage of the Schneider present in the market.
Very good. So going back to the basis with pipeline review with our partner, early engagement with end user, with design firm to prescribe, and eventually working together to secure the deal. Sure. Very good. Yeah, sure. Thank you very much, Bang Bang, and all the best in 2026.
Thank you for the support.
สวัสดีครับคุณธีรพงศ์ขอบคุณมากครับ for joining us in our busway factory in China. Can you tell us more about yourself and about ASEFA?
ขอบคุณครับคุณโรมาลิกผมชื่อพีรพงศ์มนัสบุญเพิ่มพูนนะครับเป็น Assistant CEO ที่บริษัท ASEFA จำกัดมหาชนบริษัทเราเป็นผู้นำของ Power Distribution Electrical Switchboard Automation แล้วก็ระบบ Energy Management นะครับบริษัทเราก่อตั้งตั้งแต่ปี 1997 สถานที่ตั้งอยู่ที่จังหวัดสมุทรสาครอยู่ใกล้ๆกรุงเทพนี่ครับ
Very good แล้วก็ทำงานกับ Schneider มี challenge เยอะไหม
ขอบคุณสำหรับคำถามนะครับผมว่าใน 3 ปีนี้ประเทศไทยมีธุรกิจในเกี่ยวกับ Data Center และ AI เข้ามาในประเทศเป็นจำนวนมากซึ่งมีขนาดได้ถึง 10 ถึง 100 เมกะวัตต์ ใน 3 ปีนี้ผมว่ามีธุรกิจ Data Center 3 ถึง 4 เท่าตัวนะครับซึ่งธุรกิจเหล่านี้ต้องใช้พลังไฟฟ้าที่มีประสิทธิภาพและมีความปลอดภัยกับ Data Center อย่างสูงซึ่งเราเล็งเห็นและไปด้วยกันกับ Schneider
Very good. So you can count on us. Of course, a lot of opportunity, but a lot of challenge to address those opportunities, to bring the industry at the right level. Count on Schneider to support ASEFA in this journey. Also, do you have any specific recommendation or expectation towards Schneider to capture the business opportunity?
ในมุมมองของผมคิดว่าการที่ ASEFA กับ Schneider เราเป็นพาร์ทเนอร์กันและกันมันทำให้เราประสบความสำเร็จได้ในธุรกิจ Data Center ซึ่งสินค้าและบริการของ Schneider มีหลากหลายครบวงจรซึ่งการที่เราเป็นพาร์ทเนอร์ชิพกันมันทำให้เราสามารถชนะงานจบตรงนี้ได้
Very good. ขอบคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
And for sure count on us to capture to grow our partnership, capture the business opportunity in data center, but also in other end market. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Welcome in our busway factory. Thank you for being here today. Can you tell us more about you, about SMB?
So I'm Liang from SMB. So my role is taking care of the data center, of the sales and the project. So our main of our company is for the full solution for the data center, like the FV, LV, Basta. That's all.
Very good. So Fuji SMB and Schneider, we have a very long partnership. Along this partnership, can you share a bit of the challenge that you encounter?
So I share recently the case. So recently we got have an order with the Schneider, but the customer side they giving us the PO is quite late. So we cannot wait. Customer also cannot wait for that. So we give the PO to the Schneider first, and he help us to fabricate for the bus start. But after 1 month, customer just give us the PO, but the lead time still very short. So Schneider also help to expedite. Then after that, he help us doing the effect to the Malaysia also.
Very good, yeah. Indeed, data center require a lot of agility, very short time to market, and having a strong partnership help to make things happen. Do you want to share any of your expectation towards Schneider? What can we do better? How can we support SMB in your growth journey?
So in this part, I think that the pricing that I think Schneider have fully support to us compared to others. So that I think maybe some lead time problem because the data center lead time very short.
Yeah.
So possibly not only for the bus start, as another for the component or something, we need a more shorten the lead time. So we have to expedite to the customer side also.
Very good. So faster lead time, I guess as well optimizing the design phase.
Yes.
Very good. Anything else we can do to help you?
I think some of the design stage, we also ask Schneider to help us to design with the customer also.
Yeah.
So that we can cooperate at early stage. Then after that we get the job, then we can cooperate together.
Very good. So early collaboration, co-design. Yes. So once the project is secure, we can go fast to deliver. Yes. Excellent. Thank you very much. Thank you for the trust and looking forward to many more years of collaboration.
Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Liang. Hello, Alex.
Hi.
Thank you to be here. Thank you to represent Diana Daya and visiting our busway factory here in China.
Hi, thank you very much for inviting me to this factory.
Can you tell us a bit more about you and about your company?
Yeah, my name is Alexander. I'm from PT Diana Daya Nusantara. I'm the vice president of the sales teams. We are the system integrator of the Schneider bus duct in Indonesia. Our company is selling the bus duct to the many sectors. We are enter the industrial market, building market, infrastructure, and the data center market.
Very good. And can you tell me more about the key challenge that you are facing today on the market?
Yeah, the key challenge in Indonesia is the competition in Indonesia is usually they are using the epoxy materials. We are the only one with the mylar materials. So usually in the specification we are different with the other competitor. So they can challenge us with that.
Okay, clear. And what is your expectation towards Schneider to help you prescribe mylar technology to the market?
Yeah, of course you can do to approaching to the prescription in Indonesia. There's many consultants who can do that things.
Yeah, so mostly prescription, trying to promote our differentiation to the market.
Yeah, we can make it more equal.
More equal?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else you need support from us to help you to grow and to capture new business opportunity?
Yeah, I think more technical support teams in your teams. My teams also, we have technical support teams. But with the principal support from behind, I think will be better with the customer. Okay,
so pre-sale support, maybe co-visit as well, some marketing material, and together to help you promote our technology to your customer, right? Very good. Anything else?
I think it's enough. Thank you for inviting me here.
Thank you for coming. You are very much welcome anytime here with your customer, and count on Schneider Electric to support your growth journey in Indonesia.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you.
Thank you. Hi, hello, Zhang Yan.
Nice to meet you, Romeric.
Thank you for being here in our busway factory.
Sure.
Can you tell me more about you, about LKH, the company you work for?
All right. My name is Zhen Yang. I'm the salesperson for LKH Projects Distribution, and then we are Schneider's busway distributor in Singapore itself. All right. That's all.
Very good. Can you share about the key challenge that you are facing today?
The key challenges that we're facing today is that there are new products coming up, many innovations. So we have to understand the product better, and then to offer the appropriate solutions for our customers at the same time, right?
Yeah. So LKH is recognized on the market on having end-to-end solution, end-to-end services. Yes. Can you share a bit more on your specific experience on the solution you bring to the market?
So the end-to-end solutions that we provide to our customer is from the pre-tender stage, the specification stage, to the tender stage that is awarding out when they open a tender. So we will bid for it, and then for the design and build projects, we will help our contractors in the designing as well and advise. And after that, once they reach the awarding stage, we will follow up with the contractors closely. And then if we are awarded, or when we are awarded with the job, we will work closely with them in the designing, the production, the drawing, and also the certifications and documents to provide them as well.
Very good. I like that you say not if, but when. It showed the credibility of LKH to win a project in... We have to win, yes, very good. Do you have any recommendation or specific expectation towards Schneider so we can continue to grow and address new business opportunity?
Firstly, I would like to say that it's good that the business is growing. Schneider is growing as well. So my expectation is that I hope that the factory and the support team can better support us with the customization of the solutions, the flexibility, and also the lead time in delivering the products with the busway business growing.
Very good. So it's about special support when our customers have a specific expectation in terms of design, yes. Faster lead time, and continuous support through the full project lifecycle.
Yes, definitely.
Very good. Thanks again for your trust, for our partnership, and looking forward for many more years of growth together.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.